Alright guys, this is a quick video of the day that I did my trade for Aussie JPY. I just want to say thank you Lucas for this pair, for buy. Just pretty quick for now. So at this point I saw a conference and um, I'm very just very knowledgeable that always during the time I was studying my way and um, going back to the MPA and how it's very important in the market state, and I'm just been practicing more on market state and asking a lot of questions that would it be this gotta be a range, and I saw a breakout, but the thing is that I took my trade over here earlier because I saw when the movement is going down and the seller was going weak. This area, so I'll make a measurement. Measurement here, over here. Just a quick video. So at this point, when Lucas was showing the trend line, it was very helpful. And at the same time, I will just read this part of this stake for now, and then it went down. So I went to 15 further. Then when France opened, that's London and France. So France open was see some reaction from a buyer over here, and the buyer came really hard, very quick, but then later on they went a little bit down, and I would just waited for the candle to close. And the thing I would try to practice myself, like stick with 15 minutes and an hour, and also I'm kind of curious to go deeper with the 3 minutes, see how they could hold up from here. At this point my stop loss was over here, and then my alarm trigger is over here. But I'll move my alarm over here just to close out the percentage of the profit. So yeah, I just been it looked like it didn't hit my it looked like they didn't hit my alarm, so I'll just like, okay, if they hit my alarm out, that's what I'm going to do and get back in later. So it didn't hit my alarm, and I see a buyer come very strong over here. And buyer came strong. At this point of this area, for sure my big boy is at 1 hour. I just want to try to aim 1 hour from somewhere in the line of where the a seller will react over here. But that's my target, just take profit, just to be more safe. Because if this is more further, I don't think I want to be in this area to do a trade unless it break out and make a cheese, and then I think about it from there. But from here, hopefully the next session will be the candle. I'm not gonna say hopefully, but that's what I'm going to see, if the candle close from this area to the range of that the equal, and I would think about going for a cheese over here for next section. But for now, this is my PA. Should I get down here? Yeah, I basically start from here. I start from here and then went up and I took out 80% because um, this range I don't know if it's gonna be a channel or not, but it went up. It looked like it's gonna be a channel, but the buyer is very strong, but the target that I'm targeting is this area. But the thing is, I feel that if I wanted to take the profit, I would take all the way over here. But I traded from the friends, and it was giving me a little bit caution over here, and then when it come up here, I don't know, it's gonna be react over here again. To me another caution because the reason why I take the 80% profit out is the next session of the Europe, the London, and also I'm aware of the news coming out. Um, yeah, oh yeah, that's the reason. I'm aware of the news coming out, so I don't want to be in a situation to put a lot of risk on it. So that's why I left 20% just to let it play out from here, and then after that 20% that I took out, and then this 10% let it play out, and see how it goes from there. So before that, I took out my 10% from there because I could see the correlation is not going anywhere of a sister pairs. And also, I had double checked of the Euro Aussie that how they're gonna react. So I went back and forth and just check it out, and it looked like it's reacting of this area of the buyer. For sure, I went to hours just check it out, but yep. And that is my ideal to take out my profit and just basically it from there. And I don't see it will go further unless I'm going to the next session for um, waking up from US and everything else. Yeah, that's basically it. Please give me feedback if anything I can able to improve. Fortunately, that I've been watching the US training and it was really helpful. And I wrote some notes that I had to train myself to read the market state, and it's very critical and it's very basic. And I lost that. Yeah, because from there I was losing the market state a lot, and I just try to get master the market state and stick with the fundamental and market state from there, and everything else. That's basically it. Please give me feedback, and thank you for watching.